how to dress up your fighter in real boxing 2. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can dress up your fighter in real boxing 2. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing is, of course, get the app. You can easily get it from your App Store or Google Play Store. After you get the app, you can open it up and this is what it should look like. Let me just head back here. And yeah, this is what it should look like. Now what you'll need to do is you will need to head over to the shop area first. Now the boxers of course do not wear nothing more than gloves, boots and their shorts. So if you want to get something, you can easily buy it from here. So you can just buy this here, and after you buy it, you can easily head over to your inventory and then change it. So after you head over to your inventory, you can simply head over to your shorts area. You can add the new shorts, you can equip it, tap on the equip button, and there you go. Now your boxer has a new shorts. Now if you want to buy something else, you can also again head back to your shop and buy something else. So I'll just buy this boot right here, tap on buy, and yeah, now head back to the inventory again, and you should get the shoes here, equip this, and there you go. And that is how you can dress up your fighter in your real boxing 2, guys. That is basically all for today's video too. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.